On average, every human being consumes approximately 70,000 pieces of microplastics every year, according to global citizen journalist Sanaya Mwabamba in her 2018 article titled 10 Plastic Pollution Facts That Show Why We Need to Do More. Almost every one of us use countless items containing plastic every day and recognize that it's an inescapable part of life. In our shoes, our kitchens, and even in our cars. According to the extensive research I've performed over a period of several months, plastic is detrimental to both the environment and the human body. My purpose is to inform individuals about the harmful effects of plastic and plastic pollution on ecosystems and human beings. Use is increasing throughout the world and has lasting negative effects. Plastic use and pollution are increasing across the globe. Almost everything we use in our daily lives consists of some sort of plastic. According to National Geographic staff writer Laura Parker in her 2018 article titled Fast Facts About Plastic Pollution, she states that some 18 billion pounds of plastic waste flows into the oceans every year from coastal regions, and 40% of plastic produced is packaging used just once and discarded. Additionally, she disclosed that less than 1/5 of plastics are recycled at all. Not only is plastic use increasing exponentially, but it takes hundreds of years for this material to break down. In her 2019 article, The World's Plastic Pollution Crisis Explained, Parker states that half of all plastics ever manufactured have been made in the last 15 years, and production increased exponentially from 2.3 million tons in 1950 to 448 million tons by the year 2015. Production is expected to double by 2050. Additionally, she writes that plastics contain additives that can make the breakdown process take up to 400 years. It is a very well-known fact that plastic harms the environment. A high quantity of it ends up in the ocean where it accumulates. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is in the central Pacific Ocean and is larger than the state of Texas. According to an article by geology and human health student Gianna Andrews at Montana State University. There are also garbage patches in the Indian Ocean as well as the Atlantic Ocean. Plastics are transported and gathered where currents meet. This means that the plastic islands are made as a result. Sea Education Society scientists studied plastic in the Atlantic Ocean and calculated that there are 580,000 pieces of plastic per square kilometer. Plastic is not only ending up in oceans, but it is also ending up in our landfills. Although it breaks down, its chemical components linger in the soil. Additionally, plastics have not been around long enough to study long-term implications on water and land. Plastic directly affects human health. It breaks down into toxic chemicals that enter the food chain. In the ocean, it can break down and be consumed by the marine animals, killing more than 100,000 turtles per year. Those that do survive may be caught and consumed by humans. Land and soil may be contaminated through landfills, which allows broken down plastics to get into underground water sources. These toxins have been connected to several diseases such as cancer, birth defects, immune system issues, and childhood development issues. Those substances have also been linked to hormonal imbalances, signaling at the fact that further safety testing must be performed. The use of plastics causes several important issues that must be discussed. Not only is it crucial to address the harmful effects of plastic on the environment, but also on the health of humans. Evidence shows that plastic usage is increasing due to its durability and cheap price, but it comes at a costly price for humans and the earth. Billions of human beings and animals will continue to be harmed every day until this issue is collectively addressed by every person, business, and industry. Thank you.